Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about one of the very important aspects of fluency. What happens is that sometimes we try to speak, sometimes we think that okay, perhaps we are going to be able to speak in a better way, but what happens is that sometimes because of certain things we fail to. And what is more important, what is the most important of all, in fact, is our hesitation. We fail to speak properly before a crowd, before a group of people, before anyone, only because of this hesitation. The moment you face a crowd, the moment you are before a person, the moment you think that now I'm going to say something before this gentleman or this lady or anyone, so what happens is that you start fumbling, you start thinking twice, you start feeling different, and this is why finally you utter everything twice, thrice, and it becomes a kind of confused delivery. And this is what finally is going to end up into a kind of mumbling, hesitation, a lot of hesitation, not being able to say even a single word confidently, and finally you are simply going to prove yourself as a loser. So, what is more important, what is the most important of all, in fact, is the way you are confident or not. And that can only come to you if only if you are confident, and if only you practice a lot. Slowly this hesitation is going to leave you, your personality is going to improve, and this is how you are going to be relaxed before any crowd, and this is how you are going to be confident. Things are going to improve, things are going to be working for you, you are going to find it very very easy to talk about, if only you are ready to shake off, ready to shake off this hesitation. And believe me, the moment you start practicing for being less hesitant before others, you are there to make a good start. You start today, go for a person, and as you are going to start, maybe for the first day, make sure that only you are going to speak only one or two sentences confidently in English. And after that, okay, fine, be prepared mentally that after that I'm just going to try to flee from there. Okay, but on the second day, make sure that your sentences are going to be at least double. That means today, the first day, when you are going to say at least two sentences, make sure that on the second day you are just going to make four sentences before that person or to any other person. This is how slowly improve your target. This is how slowly try to improve. This is how slowly try to frame more and more sentences. And this is how slowly you are going to realize that even I have not been able to realize. And slowly, in no time, I have improved. I have been able to change myself. And this is how finally it has become a kind of being able to say something before a person or before a group of people or before a crowd, and that too confidently. This is how which can exactly work like a miracle, and you are just going to enjoy the moment. Just imagine that okay, fine, 2 or 3 years, or even 2 or 3 months later, you are confident, you are speaking very confidently before a group of people, and you are enjoying the moment. So this is how it is going to be if only you start speaking the right kind of in the right way, with the right kind of sentences, with the right kind of confidence. So make sure that you start only today, and after that you are going to really enjoy the moment that you are going to get in your future. Okay, fine. So nothing for the day. The tip for the day remains that yes, it's very important to shake off your hesitation and keep on practicing. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and see you next with another video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.